Welcome back. It's been a while. I've been very busy, and actually I've been putting off reviewing this and opening this for a few weeks because I wanted to make a video for you before I open it. How sweet am I? I'm not using my new scale because I want to make a video for you. So let's open it up. Let's give it a little bit of a flip. Oh, it's a little trickier than I thought, and oh, look at this. It's beautiful. Look at how well packed this is. It's so nice. This AccuWeight scale, and we got a little bit of cardboard protecting the scale. We got a manual right here, and we have our scale, which is just tucked inside very nicely. And there we have it. It's perfect. Now, it did say it came with batteries up, and there they are. There they are, 2 AAAs. Look at that. Look how lucky we are to get 2 AAAs. So this is a scale, so we'll need to put the batteries in because it's electronic. Give it a little bit of a flip, and we'll do a little twist to get these batteries out. Batteries out! Come on. There we go. We got the batteries out. Pop one in. Alright, we got the other battery out too. It's super long life. Very good. Alright, we'll just pop it in. And we'll just pop in that. And now we should have a scale. Oh, very good. You just tap it to power it on. And it should read 00. I don't know if that's coming on the camera though. You can't really see it from that angle on the camera, but if we hover over it, you can certainly see it. Seems the viewing angle's not great. I'll be right back. We'll get something to weigh, so stay tuned. And we're back. And I've got some gummy bears to weigh. And we're going to weigh out 1 serving of gummy bears. So 25 grams of gummy. Oh, we need to zero it first, so zero it. Cool. Alright, now we just weigh out our gummy bears. Oh, it's in ounces. Okay, grams. There we go. 17 grams. 25. 26. That's enough. And you can't see it on this angle, but there you go. 26 grams of delicious Haribo Gold Bears. Now, this is replacing my old gross scale, which is, I think it was from Kmart, Australia. It took nasty old CR32 batteries, and it's got these capacitive buttons, which were annoying to use, and yeah, I just wanted to get something new. So I got this on Amazon, the AccuWeight. I'm pretty happy with it. It's very nice. It's actually a little smaller than my old scale in terms of size. But yeah, it does a good job. Let's see if the weights were the same. I don't know. Let's see. Give it a 0. Yeah, it's the same. They're both good. Cool. That's the video. This is my new scale. That's the old one. Bye.